All right, small repair. Had a picture fall off of the wall. It's a Avery incident. All that happened was the cable on the back side, the screw pulled out. Yeah, it's just one of these screws here. I did not do this. I believe the artist that did the painting, the piece, hand done. And it didn't really get, so it's a plastic frame. I didn't know that. So, okay. This is going to want to happen again. Only thing it is in this frame is the cardboard and then plastic behind it. I thought it was going to be a simple put a screw in. Oh, what are these little screws screwing into? What if I rehang it? These little screws seem to actually be catching something. That could work. All right. Well, here we go. Now, oh, let it go. Let it go. This is fine. Okay. And we'll go mount it. All right, here we go. Successfully repaired, successfully installed. Till next time.